Since there's no in-game tutorial for this game and I don't want to write out a text tutorial, I thought it'd be easier to show how to play this in a video. So, starting the game, skipping over the story. The game opens with the pitcher throwing a ball towards Johnny Baseball down here. Since the turn order is determined by initiative, though the pitcher always goes first, Johnny Baseball seems to have rolled the highest initiative. He can choose between a ricochet swing or explosive swing. You'll see what they do soon enough. Normally he'll be buffed by one of his two allies here, but since he's gone first, they haven't had a chance to buff him yet. I'll just go for a ricochet swing. I can choose a target, either my allies if I want to hurt them for no good reason, or one of the enemy demons. No buff signals were received, so I will just fire a baseball back at the pitcher. Now, these imps, your allies Sourdough and Sauerkraut, can either heal you if you've taken damage, or wait for your signal to buff your attack. This one will wait for your signal. They'll wait for a explosive swing. Sourdough will wait for your signal. Now it's Sauerkraut's turn. They will also wait for your signal, also waiting for an explosive swing. If both imps are waiting for the same signal, they provide a much stronger attack. You may want to provide a weaker attack if you want to heal with one of the imps and await the signal with another. Now, Johnny Baseball can fire his explosive swing at, let's say, Demon 2, which is over here. Sourdough buffed your attack, Sauerkraut also buffed your attack, and off they go, damaging both demons, killing one. I hope that gives enough of an idea of how to play this game. Your goal is to wipe out your enemy and win the baseball tournament in hell. Have fun, and thank you for playing.